So first of all, we're honoured to have so many people with us today, including the Minister from the Department of Agriculture, Environment and Rural Affairs. Our three key values in our company are passion, quality and innovation. And the Waste Recycler basically summarises those three things.
There's lots of different functions within my department, but one of which is around recycling, and this is what you're doing. So at the promise, we're going to get a good opportunity to see it in action, and I want to thank you for the invite here today and for working with officials in my department to be able to support you, because I was delighted to be able to do that, and it's great to be here. So thank you. It's fantastic to see companies like RTU taking the lead on sustainability, and I'm delighted to be here because my department's been able to support this, and this is about being good for our environment, also good for our economy. And this company's been in existence for a long time. It's a local company, and it's really, really great to see them investing in the future.
So RTU has always been an innovative company. We've always brought in innovative products, services and processes, and this is another part of the long-term journey that we're on of building sustainable business for the future.